Hi, my name is Pam Doneen and I am following the Nutrisystem weight loss program. And in this video, I wanted to share with you some foods that I call grab and go foods. Nutrisystem does supply some really good grab and go foods for breakfast and lunch, some of their breakfast bars and lunch bars. But on the Nutrisystem program, we're required to supply 3 proteins a day and 1 carbohydrate a day that is from the grocery store. And so I wanted to have those easy to grab and go as well. And I wanted to have a variety of them. So hopefully in this video, you can find some foods that would work for you as well and make your Nutrisystem journey easier. So going forward, I do always want to have foods that are easy. Even when I'm off the Nutrisystem diet, I want to be able to have foods with me so that if I get hungry, I have something that's the right option for me. In my week 2 video, I showed a clip of when I had to get out the door quickly to get to work. I was scheduled for 9:45. And that morning I got a text saying, hey, could you come at 8 o'clock? So I was only on week 2. I was still getting used to Nutrisystem, and I scrambled around to find some of these, what I call grab and go foods, so that I'd have enough food in my day to make it and not get hungry and not go off program. Well, since then, I've found some more options. I've gone to the grocery store, looked around, found some more things that I could consider grab and go food. So, hey, before I show you a little clip of what my grab and go foods are, if you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can follow me on my Nutrisystem journey. So anyway, let's take a look at some of my grab and go foods. So I'll quickly go over some of my grab and go items that I like to have handy. I'll just touch on the Nutrisystem food because of course you can look on Nutrisystem and figure out what is a grab and go. Like for breakfast, any of the bars. I love these biscotti bites. I take those to work and I eat them all the way in my car and really like them. And then this cinnamon brown sugar oat square, those are good. Lunch, of course, there's the strawberry bar, double chocolate caramel bar, there's some other bars. And if you have access to a microwave, the loaded potatoes and the mac and cheese. And of course there are other Nutrisystem foods that are grab and goes. So for the smart carb, I like to grab fruit usually. And my go-tos are you can have 2 of the tangerines or an apple or a banana. So I do like those. For vegetables, cut up carrots, cucumbers, or the baby tomatoes are easy to just grab and go. And then power fuels, there's quite a few that I like. I like these packets of lunch meat. There are different kinds. I particularly like the honey ham, and it's only 90 calories with 9 grams of protein. And then the muscle milk light is 100 calories with 20 grams of protein, so that's a really good filler. Then of course the light and fit yogurts, which are only 80 calories and 12 grams of protein. Then different cheeses, the pepper jack cheese is 80 calories and 5 grams of protein. The string cheese is 80 calories and 7 grams of protein. I like these little cottage cheese packs. There's I found there's actually a few other flavors, but I did the pineapple and the peach, and those are 110 calories with 9 grams of protein. And so those are really easy to grab and go. And then there's these Fiber One bars. They're actually 10 calories higher than they're supposed to be. They're 130 calories with 6 grams of protein. But I do use those every once in a while. They're really handy. And, my other items are lower in calories because it's 80 to 120 calories per smart carb or power fuel. So anyway, these are some of my grab and go to foods that I like having handy. And walk around the store, you could probably find obviously other things that would be easy to just take with you. So these are my grab and go foods at this time. I'm going to continue finding more foods to add to my variety and list of foods. And I want to be able to use them even when I'm off the Nutrisystem program. I want to be able to have foods with me at all times. So if I do get hungry, that I grab something that's right for me, something that's not going to make me gain the weight back that I've been working so hard to lose. I want to make these things habits in my life. I want to carry them with me moving forward, because really, I don't want to have to go on another diet when I'm done with this. I've enjoyed this diet, but I would just like to be able to do what I want when I want, with reason, I guess. So anyway, if you could hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Have a great week. I appreciate you. Thank you.